Hello, my name is Mano Zaroug. I'm going to present my thesis project. I've designed a web-based 3D assembly design application for designing medical instruments. It's an application that allows designers quickly draft assembly designs together quickly and easily. It's not the first application of its kind. There are alternatives, but problems with these alternatives is that they are feature bloated and expensive. Most of them only run on Microsoft Windows. They require installing and maintaining third-party software. They require a steep learning curve, and they're meant to run on workstations and not consumer-grade computers. Examples of these include SolidWorks and Solid Edge. They cost about $5,000 per year per user. So in order to overcome these issues, I designed a system that can run on any operating system. It runs on average compute resources. It runs smoothly on slow internet connections such as 3G. It doesn't require installing because it's a web-based application. It has a simple UI. It's responsive, so it runs on mobile as well. So initially, the application was meant to be implemented using Unity WebGL on the front end with React. But the problem with this is that it was difficult to communicate between Unity code and JavaScript. There was very limited documentation available because Unity is usually used for games and not things like this. So I researched and found an alternative library, which is Three.js. It allows me to manipulate 3D objects natively on JavaScript. It uses WebGL under the hood, which makes it fast because it uses the 3D accelerated GPU. On the backend, I'm using Golang, and I've implemented the REST API, which is communicated between the front end and the back end. The MySQL database for the back end as well. So in the demo, I'm going to show my application here. So this is the home page. These are designs that I've already created before. I can search here. I could create a new design. So here I could drag and drop components. It lets me quickly draft designs together. If I call it Manus design, and I save it, I could find it here. I added two of these and one of this. I could delete it, create another one. So, and here I could even search, filter components by application. I could filter by connection, I could filter by diameter or by design. So it will only show me designs, components that were used in these designs. I could add multiple components. So each component has connection points. This helps me snap components together. As you can see, it snaps correctly. I could edit this component, and I can see here I could change the placement of the connection point. Each component, I could change its name here. I could change the material type. I could change the applications used. I could even edit the connection point. Only compatible connection points can snap, by the way. I can download or change the model used for this component. There's a file type validation as well, so I can't upload incompatible files. So if I try here, to upload an invalid file. It shouldn't let me. So to go back to the presentation, so what else can be improved? I can save the camera position, because right now when I load, it doesn't bring me back to the same position. So this could be fixed. I could highlight compatible connection points to show me which components can be connected while I'm moving the application. I could support more file types other than .dae. I could improve snapping, because it doesn't always work. I could add an intelligent recommendation system that recommends applications that I could use using AI and previous designs. I could add user accounts, so users could share designs or components and give permissions to other users. I can implement real-time collaboration so that multiple users could collaborate at the same time. This can be done using WebSockets, which is a full duplex communication that updates in real time. Other improvements I could make is to implement, to use a state management library such as Redux to help me manage the state in the front end. Because right now it's a little bit convoluted. I could use TypeScript, which would help to reduce bugs, because it introduces types, static types. Instead of JavaScript, which is dynamic, I can use TypeScript, which is static, to help reduce bugs. Thank you.